Hello everyone, today I am planning for a home tour of our new flat in Hallmark Vicinea. In living room we bought U-shaped sofa of cream color. We completely went with veneer in living and dining area. This is a partition which is a combination of glass design, veneer and white colored PVC sheets. Opposite the sofa is our TV unit with stone cladding to the wall. You can see few spotlights at the bottom and to the roof with veneer combination. Also to the rafters we have added few spotlights where you can keep some decorative items. In dining area we bought additional sofa for watching movies through projector. Puja unit is completely made with veneer and CNC design. You can also spot out few bells. This is a glass design near wash basin. Coming back to living room, false ceiling is made of white lacquered glass and CNC design. This is our guest bedroom. False ceiling is with multicolor lights. We went with dark brown and grey colors for wardrobes and loft. Also we have added a provision for TV. Moving on to the kitchen. We have added a couple of spotlights at the entrance of the kitchen. We went with acrylic in kitchen with dark grey and yellow color combination. To the left you can see the crockery unit with spotlights along with grey colored glass. We bought chimney and hob from CAF. Chimney is of 90 centimeters and hob is of 60 centimeters. To the right we have given a provision to add small day-to-day kitchen items. You can also see the spotlight at the bottom. So kitchen top is also of quartz. On the other side you can see the tall unit with microwave and oven. We have added magic corner from Hettich. And bottle pull-out for keeping spices. To keep the consistency we bought black colored fridge. Moving on to the balcony, it's 8 by 10 in size and we have created a L-shaped sitting space at the corner. You can also see my home avatar from our balcony. This is backside of partition with sitting area and you can also see few spotlights at the bottom and roof lights are with CNC design. In our master bedroom we have used matte finish laminate for lofts and lacquered glass for wardrobes. To the other side you can see the dressing area along with provision to TV. Just opposite to our master bedroom, it's our children bedroom. Wardrobes are with digital printing. And to the left you can see the sitting space with cushion. And this is our study unit. That's all I have in this video. Thanks everyone for watching.